Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got a unique watch face to do a review on today. And I thought about the weekend when I chose this watch face. It is not a bad look at all. Now the name of the watch face is called Yin Yang Stone Digital 12/24 Hour. Now I'm telling you, the design is beautiful. I love the look, and I need to know from you all. Now, is this a dress up watch face? Can I get away with that? Or is it a super casual watch face to dress up in? Or is it a simple dress down watch face? Hit me in the comment section down below. I would love to know your thoughts on this one. Okay, with that being said, this is not a bad looking watch face at all. I do like the theme of it all, the background look. I like the detailing of this watch face overall, and of course I like the yin yang symbol. Now what you're going to get with this watch face, you're going to get your digital time, you're going to get your date. Now for those of you all who are into exercising, you're going to get all your step status you can ever want to need in this watch face. You're going to get your heart rate information, steps, miles walked or ran, and you're going to get your calories, battery percentage down at the bottom. You will get your date and the day of the week. But overall, the symbol looks really nice, very different for a yin yang watch face, and it is an active. So if I double tap right here, I can go into my contacts, make a phone call if I choose. If I double tap over here, I can pull up my calories burned, my step information, and over here, you're going to be able to get your weather, and down at the bottom, you will be able to pull up your calendar. I thought that was a very nice look, and you get 15 different awesome colors out of this watch face, which isn't bad. I'm thinking, people, this one here is worth the download, especially considering that it's $1 in the Gear Manager store. This is not a bad deal, but at the end of the day, it is all about you. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. Let me know if this is a download or is it a leave it right where it's at. All right, you all. I'm going to see you all at the next video. Enjoy your weekend. Party like it's 1999. But most of all, remember, people, be safe. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.